Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Just a quick reminder to please do like, subscribe, and share these videos with someone you think might enjoy them. All right, looks like today we're doing number 206. For this box, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here. So 8, 5. For this top row, looks like we're just missing a 4. And for this row, we're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 2 here. So 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. So we've got a 1 here and a 1 here, so that means our 1 has to be here. But I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 and an 8 here, so this is our 4. A 2 here, so 8, 2. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. To finish out this box, we're missing a 7. And for this box, we're missing 6 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. For this column, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 8. So 3, 5, 8. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 8. No help here. 3, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got a 3 here and a 4 there. So this is our 5. And that 3 makes this our 4, 3. So now we can get rid of this 5 here. For this row, looks like we're missing 2, 3, 8, and 9. There's no help here. 2, 3, 8, 9. We've got the 3 and 9 here and an 8 here. So that means this is our 2. And that 3 and 9 means this has to be our 8. That 8 makes this our 3. And the 2, 3, and 8 make this our 9. This 2 makes this our 7, 2. All right, for this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here. So 6, 1. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 6. This box now, we're missing 5 and 9. I don't see any help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 8. A 3 here, so 1, 3. That 8 makes this our 5. And so then this would be our 8 for that column. So this box is missing a 7. And this column, 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4, 5, and 9. We've got a 4 and a 5 here. So 9, 4 here. So 5, 4. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. And this 9 makes this our 6 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow.